Hello everyone, I'm Tanveer. In this video, we will learn how you can take a screenshot of specific information on your screen for your record. So there are two ways. One is there is a button print screen on your keyboard. So you can press that and then you can open Paint in your system. So suppose I have opened a Paint and I want to take the screenshot for my screen. So now I am going to press the print screen button on my keyboard, and then I will again open my Paint and I'll press Ctrl plus V. So this is how my screenshot has been saved. And if I want a specific portion, so there is a button of crop, so I'll click on that and then I'll select the portion which I want to crop, and then uh, I'll I'll cut it and I'll open a new Paint and I'll press on the don't save button, and then I will again paste my cropped portion. So this is how I can save my cropped portion in the Paint, and then using the Control S button I can save that screenshot wherever I want to do. So this is a complex and traditional way that how we can take a screenshot from our screen. So another feature in Windows 11 is snipping tool. So you can click on the Windows button and then you start typing snipping tool, and this is how it will give you your screen. So here you can press the new button and then it will give you diminished screen where you can select the portion. So suppose I'm selecting this much portion and I'll release my cursor or release my click. So this is how it will give you an option where you can use a different brushes, or if you want to erase something, or if you want to again do the image cropping. Otherwise, if you need this portion only, so you can press the Ctrl S button and then you can select your destination, that and it will be saved by using a word screenshot, then the date and time. Otherwise you can normally write how you can take screenshot or anything you can write here, and then you can press the button save and your that portion will be saved, and you can close this. So this is a very simpler process, that how you can take the screenshot. So suppose you are doing this button, you have clicked on the about button and you would like to take the description only. So again you can write snipping tool in your search and then press the new button, and then it will give you the diminish screen again, and then you can take a longer screenshot. And here you can use the eraser button, so you can erase something, so you want to erase here. So it will give you different options, like in eraser, erase all link. So you can type here, and if you want to select, you can see the different colors, so you can use it. And there is a ruler also, so you can place the ruler here if you want to see the lining and all that thing. So with the eraser you can erase what you have just used. So this is how, means it gives you a lot of features, a lot of information. You can undo your activities that you have done here. So in this way you can again you can use a protector, you can use the different tools. So this is how it will give you an option even after taking the screenshot. So this is the simplest process in Windows 11. By using snipping tool you can take any image, or you can take any part in the image as a cropped version, or you can snip that file. So that's why its name is snipping tool. Thank you.